Professor Charity Manyeruke from Zimbabwe, and I'm here in Rwanda representing Zimbabwe. At the conference, I'm looking at e-learning, particularly interested because of the COVID pandemic, which taught us lessons that learning has to continue even in pandemics. But how can people learn? How can we have access? How can we reduce the cost? All those issues, they come on board, but, also ensuring that people have access, whether in the rural areas, in the urban areas, and the issues of equity are also very, very important because, human beings, we are all equal, but it is important to learn, and learning must happening and must be of high quality. But this is why I'm here, to see what has the world done about e-learning.
Perfect.
I think the education barriers, some of them in terms of e-learning, are access to technologies. The technologies are still very expensive because we are expecting everybody, every person to have gadgets, to have smartphones, to have iPads, to have computers, so that e-learning becomes possible. But this comes with a cost, and for our governments it means subsidizing, so that people can have access. And sometimes a lot of support is required, actually, from everybody, from other governments as well, and as well as regional and international bodies to support e-learning. So e-learning has its challenges, and also it is attached to internet accessibility, and this is still work in progress, in terms of people accessing internet and the provision of fiber works so that everyone can access internet. It's an amazing platform that is being provided because, for once, it is free. Learning becoming free and accessible, from anywhere, for the young people and for organizations too. So it means that this is progressive development, which I think is sustainable. And I really wish Alison can also get enough support so that they can support us, they can support everybody. And also for organizations, it is important because organizations also have some of their needs, and these needs can be accomplished through training, and Alison is providing